to my show. I love cooking, so I decided why not teach you just how fun it is. Okay, so I'm gonna stick my beak in here and tell you guys how it smells. You guys who like sitting at home and making old El Paso tacos, you're out of this. This is Latin American food, and I wanna try some of this stuff. So just wanted to tell you guys, when this is finished, you gotta lift the pan up super fast after you add the baking soda, because this is gonna be like quite the chemical reaction. What the? I am not a health official, but I'm pretty sure this is breaking a health law. Don't eat jalapeno seeds. Ow! Treat! I must cut the perfect slice. Now the trick to making your nachos perfect is our empanadas out of the oven. They look amazing, do they not? But now to eat. This is Chef Daniel signing off. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it.